we decided to cover the entire downtrodden section. Total SCs, STs, BCs and minorities, the most vulnerable sections. We're wanting to cover this age gap because these people are most responsible also, and most of these women are also part of self-help groups as well. What we are wanting to do is every year touch the same woman, every year touch the same person, so that every year we touch the same family, and every year we give them 18,750 rupees, translating to 75,000 rupees in the hands of these women in 4 years' time. So consistently you're touching the same woman, consistently you're touching every year, consistently you're touching for 4 years. So you are empowering women, giving them 75,000 rupees in 4 years' time, every year 18,750. This is one program wherein if we can tap into these resources of 18,750, would we give it to these women to provide them a sustainable model, sustainable livelihood model. If we can show them some kind of recurring revenue source, utilizing this money, probably a combination of the multinational companies, all of these big multinational companies today who are participating with me, and a combination of Amol also recently with whom we had also entered into an MOU on similar grounds, and a combination of these big companies with Government of Andhra Pradesh to handhold and banking support coming together, probably we can show these women some kind of sustainable recurring revenue model which will ensure that they stand on their feet